The old woman, Elara, clutched her staff, humming with forgotten magic. Her eyes, though clouded with age, held the wisdom of 1,000 moons. Beside her stood Finn, a young blacksmith with arms thicker than oak trees and a heart of gold. He was their protector, their shield against the unknown. Maya, the cartographer, held maps filled with half-forgotten lore, their only guide. Rhys, the scholar, buried in a crumbling book, wielded knowledge sharper than any sword. They were an unlikely group, thrown together by fate, bound by a shared purpose to find the lost civilization of Eldoria. The journey was fraught with danger, but they had each other. Whispers of ancient magic and forgotten gods followed them. Elara raised her staff, her voice a beacon of hope.
Fear not, destiny awaits.
And so, they plunged into the heart of the Whisperwood, their journey just beginning. The Whisperwood lived up to its name. Trees, ancient and gnarled, clawed at the sky, forming a dense canopy. The air hung heavy, thick with the scent of damp earth. Sounds were amplified, the rustle of unseen creatures, the creak of ancient trees. Days bled into nights, each one colder and darker. Maya, her maps useless, relied on intuition and the stars. Finn, a skilled hunter, managed to snare small game, but it was never enough. They encountered luminescent fungi, mischievous sprites, and giant spiders. Venomous snakes and feral wolves lurked, testing their courage. Each encounter pushed them to their limits. Awe filled them as they emerged from the Whisperwood. Before them lay the ruins of a city, vast and magnificent even in decay. Towers of polished obsidian pierced the sky, adorned with intricate carvings. The air thrummed with unseen energy.
This is it, Eldoria.
The city was eerily silent, yet an unseen presence made itself known. Statues carved from obsidian came alive at their approach. Their eyes glowed with inner fire, weapons humming with latent power. The battle was fierce, the stone guardians relentless. But the companions, their skills honed by the trials of the Whisperwood, fought with courage. They emerged victorious, their determination unshaken. The city held its secrets, waiting to be uncovered. Within the heart of the ruined city, they discovered a series of trials. Each challenge tested their very essence. One chamber, shrouded in darkness, forced them to confront their deepest fears. Finn battled phantom beasts, Maya found herself lost in an endless maze, and Rhys confronted his own mortality. Only Elara, her wisdom transcending the illusions, remained untouched. Another trial, a shimmering pool of water, reflected their true selves. Finn saw a young man burdened by responsibility, Maya a lost soul yearning for acceptance, and Rhys a coward hiding behind books. Elara saw a beacon of hope, her reflection shining with inner light. The trials tested their bonds, pushing them to the brink of despair. Accusations flew, fueled by fear and exhaustion. Yet, when all hope seemed lost, they remembered their shared purpose. Elara reminded them of their quest to find Eldoria, unlock its secrets, and save their world. The trials of Eldoria revealed a profound truth. Their individual strengths were magnified when combined. Finn's strength lay in his unwavering loyalty, Maya's skill in navigating the unknown. Rhys's knowledge transformed into a tool for understanding. Elara held them together with her wisdom and compassion. They faced each challenge as one, their bond unbreakable. Puzzles were solved, guardians defeated. The deeper they ventured, the more they understood Eldoria's magic. It was about balance, strength and compassion, knowledge and wisdom. They embraced this understanding, thriving in their unity. Eldoria's secrets unfolded before them. They were not just surviving, but thriving. They finally reached the heart of Eldoria. It was a garden, not a throne room or vault of treasures. A single perfect rose bloomed in the center, its petals a kaleidoscope of colors. The rose pulsed with an energy that resonated deep within their souls. Images flickered around them, showing Eldoria in its prime. They saw its people, laughing, loving, grieving. They saw their downfall, not from invasion, but from within. Their pursuit of knowledge had blinded them to the balance they had forged. The rose was a warning, a reminder of fragile foundations. The companions stood in silence, the weight of Eldoria's past pressing down on them. They had found the lost civilization, but not the answers they sought. Or had they? The journey back through the Whisperwood was different. The forest, once menacing, now seemed welcoming. They moved with newfound confidence, their steps lighter. They carried with them the lessons they had learned, the importance of balance, the strength in unity, the responsibility of knowledge. They emerged from the forest forever changed. Finn returned to his forge, his creations now possessing a delicate beauty. Maya continued to explore, using her maps to connect with others. Rhys dedicated his life to preserving the memory of Eldoria. Elara, her purpose fulfilled, slowly faded, her wisdom living on in their hearts. Eldoria had given them the wisdom to seek a different kind of power. The power to build a better world, not on the ruins of the past, but on the promise of the future.